In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up lead scoring in Hubspot. Lead scoring helps you quickly spot which contacts are showing strong intent, so your team can prioritize follow-up. In Hubspot, this is managed through a score property where you assign points based on specific behaviors. We will add both positive and negative attributes, then save the updated scoring rules. Start by opening your Hubspot portal and going to Settings. From there, find the Objects section and then click Properties. This is where Hubspot stores the fields and calculations used across your CRM, including scoring. Once you are on the Properties page, use the search bar to look for the property called Hubspot Score. When it appears in the results, click the name of the property to open its configuration. This is important because you want to edit the existing score property rather than creating a separate one, so all your reporting and automation can reference the same score. Now you will add a positive attribute. Click Add Positive Attribute and then choose your filter for form submission. This is where you tell Hubspot which form activity should increase a contact's score. Form submissions are often a strong indicator of interest, so this attribute will add points when the filter conditions are met. When selecting the filter, make sure it reflects the specific form activity you want to reward, so your score stays meaningful and aligned with your process. Next, add a negative attribute. Click Add Negative Attribute and select your filter for inactivity. This lets you subtract points when a contact has not engaged for a defined period of time. Adding negative scoring helps keep your list of high-priority leads accurate, especially when someone was active in the past but has gone quiet. After that, enter the point value for each attribute. Choose values that match how important each behavior is to your team. Keep the scale consistent, so positive actions raise the score in a noticeable way, and inactivity lowers it enough to reflect reduced intent. Finally, click Save in the bottom right to apply your changes. That covers everything you need to know.